Hey everybody, Joe Casabona here, and welcome to my channel where I help creators create more easily. Today, I am going to show you a new app I discovered called Clickmajic that allows you to easily remove backgrounds from images. Now, full disclosure, Clickmajic did reach out and they provided me a free account that I'm going to tell you about in a minute that you can get for super cheap. But before we do that, I do want to ask you to subscribe to this channel so that you know when new videos come out if you like what I'm doing. I also go live once a week, usually on Wednesdays around 11 a.m. Eastern time. And those live streams are only available while they're live. So if you want to know when I go live, then you should subscribe, click the bell if you want, or don't. But if you think I can't really join you at 11 a.m. Eastern time on Wednesdays, well, you can get access to the entire live stream archive if you become a member of the Build Something Club over at buildsomething.club for just $5 a month or $50 a year. You can get access to all of my live streams, as well as an ad-free extended version of my podcast, How I Built It, a day early. You get a bunch of other stuff too. Those are, if you're really in it for the content, those are the two big pieces of content though. Members also get an extra quarterly bonus episode, as well as something new I'm trying called the Weekly Wrap. So sign up, $5 a month or $50 a year. That's 2 months for free. It's a bargain. All right, so that's it for the shameless self-promotion. Let's take a look at Clickmajic. Okay, so on the screen here, you see Clickmajic. Let's look at how it works, and then we'll talk about pricing. Over here in this little utility app called Yoink that I use, you can see I have a screenshot of another video that I want to turn into a thumbnail. But I don't want the whole background, I just want me. So I'm going to drag this into the Clickmajic area. It's going to look at and analyze the image, and then it will return a background free version of it, hopefully. And I mean, that image, you know, there's a lot going on here. So now you could see it's a little bit, you could see the original here. It's a little bit wonky, right? Because it didn't realize that it's essentially like two different windows, but we can edit it if we want. And so if I go through and edit, I can blur the background, I can add different backgrounds, or I can erase, right? So if I zoom out and scroll over here, that's how fine grained we can get. I'm going to zoom out a bit because there's a large swath I want to get rid of. And then I'll make the brush size pretty big too. Not that big, I guess. Little bit smaller so I don't erase part of my body. And then we can get smaller still and zoom in to where I want to edit. All right, so I'll just do that. I can clip. There we go. Not too bad. And then again, oh. All right, and so once we're done with that, I can then click download. I will say that button is slightly confusing, right? So it did make the change. I've got the result here. I'll throw it on my desktop. And then if we take a look, we have the fully modified image. So, you know, there's a little bit of stuff here. But again, this is a fairly complicated background with kind of similar colors blending into one another. So I'm pretty happy with the results here. And you could see from the editor that I was able to make changes. So this is a really nice way to use Clickmajic, or a really nice way to remove backgrounds. I know that if you're using something like Canva, With the Pro account, you can do that. And there are other apps like remove.bg that I think it's like $1 per credit. So maybe what you're wondering is, how much does it cost? I think the preview image is free. The HD version is going to cost a credit. So if we go to their pricing page, you could see that for 40 credits a month, it's $6, which is a really good bargain. Or for 200 credits a month, it's $28. So you need to determine kind of how many backgrounds a month you'll be removing, right? If you're not doing that many, I think 40 credits for $6 or 15 cents an image is really good. So that's the subscription base. It's a little bit more expensive. It's actually like double. If you pay as you go, right? It's kind of the same as remove BG. But again, if you're not doing it that often, maybe pay as you go is better than a subscription. However, they are currently running an AppSumo deal where for $39 one time, you get 30 credits a month. So, it takes, if you're doing the 40 credit a month plan for $6, it's going to take, something like 5 or 6 months to pay it off. But this is a one-time payment. So if you're going to be removing backgrounds, even just a few a month, then this is worth it. I will have an affiliate link to AppSumo in the description for this video if you want to pick it up. But I think that Clickmajic is a great way to remove backgrounds. So the way I'm kind of using it is I'm removing the backgrounds in Clickmajic, and then I'm moving over to Canva because that's like the only pro version of Canva I use, or the only pro feature of Canva I use. So I'll take this image and then I'll put it against a different background in Canva and create my YouTube thumbnail. But that's it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to click the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to this channel for content to help creators create more easily. And if you really like what I'm doing and you want to take your content creation game to the next level, head on over to buildsomething.club and become a member for just $5 a month or $50 a year. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, get out there and build something.